Welcome back, everyone. Our next presentation is with Li Jun from Ontology, who's going to talk about decentralized ID and data with Ontology.
Hi, I'm Li Jun, founder of Ontology. It's glad to be here to join the Polkadot Decoded online conference. Today here we'll introduce how Ontology, the Decentralized Identity Protocol and the Decentralized Data Protocol work together with Polkadot blockchain and the different depths and for that and build a new trust collaboration. So thanks for coming and joining this event. Ontology is power blockchain focused on decentralized identity and data. Also, based on those basic protocols, we will build the trust collaboration platform based on that. So today's topic, we're more focused on decentralized identity and data and how those protocols can work with different blockchain based on cross-chain mechanism. So Ontology have a decentralized identity protocol. We also kind of DID. The DID not only based on Ontology blockchain, but also can work together with other blockchains. That means whenever what kind of infrastructure you work on or you are using, you also can use decentralized identity as a single protocol. OntID is a decentralized identity protocol. The name OntID not only means based on Ontology. You also can register or create your decentralized identity in different blockchains, include Polkadot and Ethereum. And based on that, you will find you can do a lot of things based on decentralized identity. You can control your accounts, your wallet address, digital assets address. Of course, also include your traditional scenarios, different account, bank account, social media, and so on. And based on that, you can do the mapping by yourself and manage this kind of mapping relationship by yourself. That means you can control your own decentralized identity in different source and in different platform. So DDXF is a decentralized data framework. Since you already manage your own identity, you also can do the data cooperation based on that. Because decentralized data means no one single platform private, they will control your data as currently centralized internet. Each data source is managed by yourself. All your personal data or other kind of data related, the value and the privacy all controlled by yourself. So Ontology based on the decentralized data protocols, they can have the data private, data users, and other technical providers. They can work together to build a data process, collaboration process. Based on that, we also have different kind of tools for clients, for business, for developers. They can build different process and scenario based on that. Another work product is kind of product based on the data protocols. We think the credit score is kind of popular data product, even in traditional world as well, like the FIGO or some system score in China. They can help for the financial lending, insurance, and other kind of scenarios. So OScore is the first credit score online, on-chain credit score products based on the Ontology data protocols. They manage your on-chain, the different data information, include transaction and your digital assets based on the different blockchain, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ontology, and Polkadot maybe in next step. You can manage all those kind of digital assets to build your own reputation and the credit score. And those credit score can be used in many scenarios. In the recent scenario I will introduce later is you can use the score to lend more digital assets. That is, we hope they will have more other kind of scenario in next step. Just as I mentioned, the decentralized identity not only based on a single blockchain, that is cross-chain scenario or cross-chain solutions. Currently, decentralized identity already covered or be used in different blockchains. Ontology already built a different version in different blockchain for the decentralized identity, including Polkadot and Ethereum, Near Protocol, Binance, and other new blockchains were coming. You will find a lot of the ID, the predicts or prefix already be registered in WCC, already have done by Ontology Foundation, work together with partners. In next phase, you can manage a decentralized identity in different blockchain, work together with Ontology Decentralized Identity Protocol. So based on that, you can see all the decentralized identity data and other products, they will link together as the whole scenario support different real business case, like the identity and link to all the data source, and also you can build your own information. All those information you can work together with your friends or other endorsers. They have give you endorsements as a decentralized approach. They build a new kind of reputation, new kind of trust information. All those protocols, products, they will help you build another trust package for individuals, for companies, for organizations, even for governments. That's all the data or privacy is controlled by yourself, but you still can build the trust and use the trust in different collaboration. Include the blockchain scenario like a decentralized finance, also traditional finance or traditional business case. So here is a real use case is from the automobile industry. We are working together with Daimler, it's kind of Mercedes-Benz. We can help people, the users, to control their data in cars. When they use the car, all the data related in the car usage, they will control by user self. You can use those kind of data for their to buy some insurance, some like customized insurance product, and also they can provide their data to the other third-party data analysis company. You can go to the feedback or reward based on that, and all those data is controlled by yourself. No centralized database or centralized company control your data. You can use protocols, blockchain protocols, use the wallet, use the client to manage your data by yourself. Actually, those kind of case or those kind of ideas can copy to the other industry as well. Or currently already a digitalized world. A lot of scenarios have been digitalized or have the information system. All those data can be rebuilt or reformed as a decentralized way. Every user can manage their data and got benefit or incentive from own data value. So welcome home in Mercedes-Benz is the first step. We are looking forward to more scenario or use case coming in next phase.
Trust is built over time. Ontology is redefining trust through innovative technology.
Hello everyone! Today I'd like to show my car to you.
ONT ID recognized. Smart lock enabled. The vehicle records the driver's history and current environment data. Decentralized connection storage helps the vehicle owner to generate benefits.
Hi Lisa, how are you?
Hi Daphne, do you want to watch the musical play Elvis this evening?
Yeah, I'll get the tickets for us, and you get the food.
No problem.
Bye-bye. Buy 2 tickets for the musical play Elvis this evening with ONT. Forward the ticket to Lisa. Oops! I almost had an accident! Hi guys, my car is available right now.
The app allows vehicle sharing and accepts requests for the vehicle automatically.
Alex has a high ONT score. I'm okay to lease my car to him. It's time for the musical play. Oops, accident.
The insurance claim is settled through a smart contract, and repair recommendations are shared with the vehicle owner.
Hello. The part for your right front headlight will arrive at the store in 2 days. Your vehicle can be repaired then. Thank you.
Analyze the traffic flow using blockchain and watch the traffic lights change according to the frequency of jam signals uploaded from the vehicle.
Initiate a giveaway request.
Through smart contracts, road permits may be traded and granted to a vehicle with a higher road priority. For vehicles utilizing Ontology, the decentralized ID and recorded data of the driver and the vehicle is unchangeable and remains under the independent management of the user. Trust is built over time. Ontology is redefining trust through innovative technology. Ontology.
Okay, you will find decentralized finance is very popular recently in the blockchain industry. You'll find, okay, but currently decentralized finance is also face a lot of challenges. We think the credit or reputation is the key elements in the next step for the decentralized finance. You will find currently decentralized finance is kind of always you need to stake or you need to put more money and to get money back, because not based on your reputation, not based on your credit, and that means you will not get more money from lending, decentralized finance lending or other case. But when you check the traditional finance, that is have people to lend more money you don't have right now to help you fix your country problem. But that is cannot be done by decentralized finance right now. So we think the reputation or credit score is a key value for this part. In next step, we can use identity data to build the reputation, build the credit score, and based on that, individual they can lend the money to get more money from the decentralized finance product, and just like the traditional finance currently doing. So that is key things, how the decentralized finance is more like a traditional finance in next step. And the next step we think, okay, currently all DeFi is based on the digital assets in blockchain, the industry. But when you review those assets, actually more assets is in traditional industries, like the equity, like the house or the real estates or the other kind of assets. All those assets still have a chance to be digitalized, become digital assets. Then we can use a program to control those assets, do the trading and do the lending or other kind of decentralized scenarios. But the key thing is all those traditional assets to the decentralized world, you have to confirm who have owned the assets, the real or not, or the other kind of legal requirements, KYC requirements. So I think a decentralized identity and data is can help this process to help people to put more assets, real world assets, become digitalized assets. So more and more digital assets will in blockchain as a more and more platform. They will provide more service in different scenarios in business, even in your daily work, daily life, and personal. On the one thing you can highlight is since we are globally, we have different legal system for the digitalized assets. So we need protocols they can cover in different scenarios to link to the different legal requirements. So the decentralized identity and data, I think, is a very good solution to support this point. And another is utilization for the assets. Just as I mentioned, credit mechanism is the key element for that. When you build your own credit on chain and also link your traditional credit from the off-chain data source to work together, build a kind of new credit score, new credit value and reputation, you can have more assets utilization based on decentralized finance, lending platform or other platform that can provide a real finance service for you, not only in kind of trading or other assets exchange. It's kind of a real financial service. Okay, when we have those kind of new decentralized protocols, it's kind of without any third-party service private. People can digitalize their assets. People can build their credit and reputation by themselves. Those kind of mechanisms or those kind of protocols also can be used by traditional finance in country. Since currently, for example, reputation credit is built by the financial institution. They collect they have your own data, the user's data, and to do the evaluation to build the credit score for you. But in next step, the financial institution they should not to touch your data. All the data controlled by yourself. All the credit score, all the reputation built by yourself. You just private or prove those kind of credits or reputation to financial institution when you apply the financial service. So that means no matter what money come from, because everywhere you can prove yourself everywhere for any kind of financial institutions, they will refer currently traditional finance and become all finance will become decentralized finance. So those kind of decentralized protocol will be the infrastructure for those kind of new words or new use case. So here is a kind of innovation or kind of testing based on this point. The WIN project is kind of decentralized finance lending product. But the difference with other lending projects, WIN will improve and the assets utilization with credit elements and reputation. I mean, so WIN have they will involve in the old score product and to do the KYC and to evaluate your on-chain reputation and credit score. That means you can get more money based on lending service. So here is a new product for WIN. WIN already have a flash pool. They also use, they have you need to put money is 125 to lend. That is still you need to put more money and get less. But in next pool, inclusive pool, you only need to put 80% money, and you will get 100 come back. So their credit element will be involved in for this process. That is the first product involving credit or reputation elements in decentralized finance. It's kind of testing. Of course, it's kind of innovative product. Also have a risk, but we will keep trying. We believe that will create the true value and the real value for the decentralized finance. And I believe this kind of mechanism or product will have more and more those kind of product will come in decentralized finance. In that time, the decentralized identity and data will become more and more important. So we are looking forward to the inclusive pool will come soon. Okay, this is very brief introduction, and we're still looking forward to work together with Polkadot, Ethereum, and other platform together. We are different public blockchain, different protocols, but finally we are in the same decentralized world. We think the decentralized world is kind of more better world and fair and with high efficiency for the traditional industries. We are building a new world together to reform different industries, different scenarios, and provide more value for users. And thanks for your listening, and looking forward to work together to build new things. Thank you.